we are taking a look at the toy grade JQ1122 2-channel RC helicopter. This helicopter is specially designed for beginners and kids who want to experience flying an RC helicopter without any complicated controls. It comes with a simple 2-channel system that makes it easy to fly indoors and learn basic hovering and turning. In this video, we will unbox and review the JQ1122 RC helicopter. Welcome back viewers. So how are you? I hope you will be fine. In today's video, I will give you a complete review of this smallest teeny tiny RC helicopter. But first of all, if you are new on my YouTube channel, so please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. So today's video is very interesting. So watch this video till end. So without wasting time, let's start the video. This RC helicopter I ordered from Dras, and now it reached us after about 5 days. So the delivery is a little late but still okay. And now we will unbox it and give you a complete view of this RC helicopter, and we will also tell you whether it is worth buying or not. This helicopter is mainly designed for beginners and kids. So in this video, we will check its box contents, build quality, features and overall performance to see whether it's worth buying or not. Let's start with the unboxing inside the box. First of all, we get the complete box of this small RC helicopter, as you can see. Let's open this box and see what is the inside of this box. I was just reading the manual behind the box. Now I am opening it. We get the JQ1122 RC helicopter itself, a 2-channel remote controller, a USB charging cable, a spare tail router, and a user manual. All the items are properly packed, and for a toy grade helicopter, the packing is quite decent and protective. Now let's talk about the design and build quality. The helicopter is made from lightweight plastic, which actually helps during crashes because it reduces damage. The design is simple but attractive, and the color look good. Being a toy grade model, it does not feel premium, but it is strong enough for normal indoor flying. This helicopter uses a basic coaxial rotor system, which makes it more stable in the air. It has two main controls: throttle for going up and down, and yaw control for turning left and right. Because it is a 2-channel helicopter, it does not move forward or backward, which makes it very easy to control for beginners. The remote controller is very simple and beginner friendly. The buttons and sticks are easy to understand, and even someone flying for the first time can learn the controls quickly. The remote feels light and the response is okay for a toy grade helicopter. Now coming to the flight performance, the JQ1122 flies best indoors where there is no wind. The helicopter is quite stable in hover, and small turns are smooth. Since it is very light, even a little wind can affect it. So outdoor flying is not recommended. The battery life is average. After a full charge, you can expect around 5 to 7 minutes of flight time, which is normal for toy grade RC helicopters. Charging is done using the USB cable, which is convenient because you can charge it from a power bank or laptop. Overall, the JQ1122 is a good option for beginners, kids, or anyone who just wants a simple RC helicopter for fun. It is easy to fly, stable and affordable, but it is not meant for advanced flying or outdoor use. If you are looking for your first RC helicopter, this can be a good starting point. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.